So what am I doing today? And door to door in a neighborhood where I have a home for sale. Okay? The reason for this is because I want to do whatever it takes to sell this home. Of course, I do all the online advertising, targeting, social media, but really, I'm not going to give up the basics, and that's open houses. And I want as many people to come to that open house as possible. So I'm sending out these flyers. You are invited. I'm handing them out, actually. Door to door, talking to the neighbors, letting them know what's going on in their neighborhood. Okay, this seller has entrusted me out of every other real estate agent and broker out there. They chose me to sell their home. So I'm gonna do whatever it takes. And if you trust me to sell your home, know that I'm gonna be out here, whether it's snowing, whatever temperature it is, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get your home sold. Thanks for watching.